Hi, welcome back to PageFly Video Tutorials. This is the first video in the series of video tutorials on how to use third-party app elements in PageFly. So if you want to add sections like this, or this to keep viewers standing longer on your site, and then increase sales on your store, we will show you how to do it in this video. Here is Wiser Dashboard. At the left side toolbar, you can see the Setup Widgets drop-down menu. Here you can add product sections you want, on any type of page. I will do a demo with the product details page. You can do the same with other pages. You can see all widget options here. Some are available with free plan, some are only available when you upgrade your plan. For example, if you want to show a section named Recently Viewed Products on your product page, so that customers can see a list of products that they just saw when browsing on your site, you need to use this widget. Make sure that the option is turned on. Change the widget title here. Scroll down the page and click Save. Now go ahead to PageFly Page Editor. Here is a product page editor. Click Add Third-Party Element Category. Wiser App. Then drag and drop Recently Viewed Products element to the editor. Publish the page. And open it on Live View. I will go around the site. And when I go back to the original page, you can see this section. Another example, if you want to show a section that includes products that are related to the main product on the product page, this option will help you. Turn on the option. Click Save. Next step, under the Recommendations menu, you can see the Related Products option. Here you can choose the condition to show related products. It can be products that are in the same collection with the main products, or the same type, vendor or tag. Back to PageFly Page Editor. Drag and drop the Related Products element. Publish the page. And open it on Live View. Here you can see, a Related Products option is showing at the bottom of this product page. You can also customize the product recommendation option in Wiser App. Click Customize Widgets. And here you can apply styles you want to the widget. This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to get more new video tutorials. These are other videos on our channel you also may need. Thanks for watching.